We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this molecule, chemical compound. We'll be looking at how to say more names from foods and medical terms. Erythritol, erythritol. Stress on the second syllable. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this molecule, chemical compound. We'll be looking at how to say more names from foods and medical terms. Erythritol, erythritol. Stress on the second syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.